If your Honda CRV's rear-view camera has gone blank, fuzzy, or just won't turn on, don't panic. These problems are more common than you think. Let's get your camera back up and running. First, check for simple issues. Dirt or water on the lens. Give it a good wipe with a soft cloth. Still not working? Restart your car. Sometimes a quick reboot clears minor glitches. If the screen stays black, check the display settings from your dashboard menu. Make sure the camera option is enabled. Next, inspect the rear camera wiring. Look for loose plugs or visible damage near the trunk. If you see a disconnected wire, carefully plug it back in. If it's damaged, you might need a replacement part. Sometimes the camera itself fails. If you're still having problems, it could be time to visit a trusted mechanic or your Honda dealership. They can run a diagnostic to find the exact issue. Remember, a working rear camera is crucial for safety, so don't ignore it if it stops working. Check the simple stuff first, and if that doesn't help, get professional support. Your CRV and your peace of mind will thank you.